origin of the t-shirt for me started with the love that I have for my dad. I guess the nostalgia and the sincerity and like the safety that I felt at home. So that white t-shirt has always been in my life and something very important to me. I don't think I really understood it until I started working in this business, but I was like, let's start with the plain white t-shirt. And I swear, I feel like everybody understands the love of a plain white t-shirt and it means something different to everybody. And I think that's what's kind of cool about it too. It's like, for me, it represents safety, it represents home, it represents my parents, it represents love, it represents like more than I can even put into words, to be honest with you.
The state only requires a 2.0 GPA for participation